This is the downstairs. This is the stairs when you come downstairs. This is the first bedroom. It's really cool down here, like temperature wise. And then this is the other bedroom over here. And then there's a door downstairs to get out. And there's a king size bed and a futon pull-out over there. And I'll show you outside. This is downstairs outside. And when you go down this hall, there's a big bathroom. It's huge. Bathtub. There's a shower and toilet, towels, and a step.